Hey friends, Billy from LM Cases here, and today we're at the PHATS show in Marco Island, Florida. And we are making Ed and I's first coffee this morning at 11:59. We have one more minute of morning with the LM Cases Barista Elite case. That's right. We use the coffee machine in the case. Some might say we even designed this case specifically for us without any intention of resale. So here, we'll take a look. All kidding aside, let me show you how this thing works. I feel like if you're a subscriber of LM, you've seen this case about 8,000 times, but let me take you on the tour. So there is a 43-inch monitor mounted in this case that is displaying the LM Cases propaganda reel all day. Look, it's a monitor, or it's a video of the video that I'm shooting. We have officially reached road case inception. So this comes out, this is mounted on a slide-out shelf. This is how it transports, so the monitor folds down. It is mounted on position control hinges, so there are no little clickety-clack ratchety things to make this work. Hidden below here is we have a Sonos beam for audio. Behind the commercial-grade Keurig machine, there is also a Sonos Sub Mini that has custom brackets that keeps it locked in place. So the reason why we're allowed to call this the barista case is because it has a Keurig machine in it, because everybody knows it's the best coffee. It's, sorry, Keurig, I'm sorry, I mean no offense by that. Some people very much like Keurig coffee. I am not one of those people that like it. However, we do have the commercial grade Keurig machine. So if you'd like to make 1 cup of your favorite hot chocolate or tea or hot water, you have the Keurig machine. It is mounted on a heavy-duty 3/4-inch Baltic birch shelf that is mounted with heavy-duty Accuride glides. It also has a spot for 9 K-cups. Actually, the real reason why we can kind of call this the Barista Elite case is, Ed, show that the coffee is real. There you go. Get yourself a fresh pot. So we have the DeLonghi TrueBrew machine in this. So this is actually a pretty cool machine. So I started the video with quasi being a coffee snob, which I sort of admit to being. This machine is pretty cool because it takes whole beans and it grinds them as you select what you want. So if you like a Keurig single shot of coffee, you can have that. If you would like a single shot of coffee in any of these flavors, a 3-ounce shot of espresso, an 8-ounce, a 12-ounce, a 16-ounce, a 24-ounce, or what we have here, the 40-ounce carafe. So Ed and I will just brew a pot of coffee basically all day and just drink it. It's quite good. We have our bag of beans from Youngstown, our Branch Street coffee. Again, much like the Keurig, this machine is mounted on a custom insert on this shelf. You can't really see it, but it does recess in there, and this has a custom configured fascia piece. There are storage drawers below. So as far as power goes, this has an LM Tour Systems meter module in it. So this tells us what our available line voltage is, 118 volts, and we're currently not drawing any amps because just the TV is basically on. So the case does have a microwave. It also has a luxury-inspired beverage cooler, and we get to call it a luxury-inspired beverage cooler because it has a glass door and the shelves have wood trim on them. So this is filled with 6 packs of soda, and so if you'd like to swing by the booth, we have a variety of light beer from all around the world. So if you're going to sit and drink beers with LM all day, you can. We also have our new compact athletic workstation with clock and speaker. This is a new product for this show. This has, again, a Sonos Roam for audio. If you notice, LM likes Sonos a whole lot. It also has a clock in it. The buttons of the clock are accessible on the top of the case here. There are tilting bins in the lid here for small parts. There's a clear plastic piece that goes over the front so that things don't spill out. We also have an LM Tour Systems power module in here. There are 8 AC outlets, 4 USB-A's, 4 USB-C's. We also have the famous LM Tour Systems 4-plex to PowerCON module or outlet bank in here. We have 2 PowerCON outlets so you can use it. So this one is giving you another 4 outlets for anything that has a big plug. The work surface here is made out of white marine grade plastic. It does have a clear piece of plastic on top of it that allows you to use a dry erase marker to write notes should you need it. This particular case has 4 drawers. There are clear Lexan lids that protect everything, so when you inevitably flip this case, because hockey boys flip everything, it keeps all of your things contained. There are movable dividers in here. The bottom 3 drawers take that same concept and just split the drawers in half. That one doesn't have the dividers installed. There we go. It splits it in half down the middle, and you have removable dividers here. So the middle 2 drawers are the same. The bottom one is just a little bit deeper. Again, same concept with that. We also have a celebrity in the booth today. This is for Carl at Utah Mammoth. This is his coffee machine case. And we figured that if we were going to the hockey show, we would at least show off something real that we built. So if you check the upper right-hand corner of the screen, you can see a more detailed video on this. But this is pretty cool. So these are Carl's machines that he sent us. So we have an espresso machine. We also have a DeLonghi machine. On the back, we have a blender, which I'll show you here in a second. But this also has our LM Tour Systems 52391 power module. So you can get this configured however you want. In this particular configuration, we have an additional 2 charging outlets. So you get 4 regular AC outlets. You get 2 USB-A's, 2 USB-C's. Just like on the trainer case, we have a 4-plex module on top here. This is using the True protocol. So this caddy here actually goes into the case below. So the lid is removable from this case. You put the caddy in and you can use it on top of the case so that you essentially are using the case as a stand. The other thing that's cool about it is the inner unit won't get beat up or beat up less than the outer case. On the back here, we have a Blendtec blender. Will it blend? That is the question. The answer is yes. And we also have 4 storage drawers to hold small items. There we go, with removable dividers. If you're noticing a theme here, this is plugged in using a locking True connector. And speaking of locking True connectors, we also are powering the booth from the LM Tour Systems ST1 True stringer box. So this has a 1 locking inlet, 6 locking outlets. So all cases that are using the True power format, which would be this case right here and this case right here, can plug into this. We also have a pendant power supply. So this is another thing that we like a lot here. This is a very durable Leviton product that we can configure however you want. This has 2 outlets in it. You can get them with double USB-Cs, a USB-A and C like you saw earlier, or you can get it with standard duplex outlets. So this is the booth for the PHATS show. Depending on when I get this posted, come by and say hello, but if you're having FOMO from not going to the PHATS show, this is what you're missing from LM. So, as always, if you have any questions, you can send me an email, billy@lmcases.com. You can check out the link in the description below. I will post links for all of the cases that we have here. And if you'd like to see the daily goings-on of Instagram, like cool stuff like coming to trade shows with us, check us out. We're LM_cases. Thanks so much for stopping by, and we will catch you guys on the next one.